This is how to sync audio with video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC free tutorial. Drag the video and the audio piece that you would like to sync together on the timeline. The next step is to make the audio piece louder by clicking G or right click and click again. This will access gain. This step is optional, but I simply do this to make the process easier. And as you adjusted the volume, the next step is to now make the dry space in your audio, create a cut, delete, drag the dry space, and then drag the audio. This will also make the next steps easier. You want to highlight both the video and the audio piece on the timeline so that you would like to sync together. And then now the next step is to right click and locate the option which is above merge clips, which says synchronize. And now we're going to click this option, which is the last option. Underneath the audio track channel, you choose whichever one you would like, but I'm choosing mixed down. Now, if you do get this error, the audio synchronize failure, basically you want to make sure that everything is checked on here as far as the video and the audio layers, as you can see here, and the same thing with this audio. And then now you want to right click again and click on synchronize. You can even try track 1 or 2 of your choice. If you still get this error message, then you're going to have to manually synchronize both the video and audio piece yourself. So scroll in on both the audio pieces